Good evening. How you doing? Trust your day went well. Okay, quickly I'll be showing us how to create um a project using Trello. So to create your project using Trello, you can decide to start from scratch. You can decide to use a template. Template is just like a guide on how your project will look like. As you can see, these are templates, as you can see. So if you want to use any template, you simply come to this place. When you click on templates, you choose which one you want to go for. Is it project management? You click on project management and you can see templates. You can decide to pick any one you want to pick and then you use it. And for now, I want to start from scratch. So you click on create. When you click on create, you're going to see these two things here. You're going to see create board, start with a template. So we are going to go with create board. Then when you come to create board, this will pop up. You pick how you want your template to look like. So let's pick this one. Let's pick blue. You pick it. Then what's the name of your template? That is, what's the name of the project you are working on? Let's say the name of my project is marketing campaign. Let's say that's the name of our project, and then you select the workspace you want to select, and then you create your project. Now this is our project. We are now here. So to create the project, so we are going to start with adding our lists. So the list is just like an header. So for now I'll be using to do. The next one I'll be using in progress, and the next one will be using complete. You just be clicking on this add list. If you click on it, you see it will add another one. But these are the three I just want us to use. To do, in progress, complete. So we are going to be listing all our projects step by step under the to do. Then subsequently, when we are working on the project, we can now move it from to do to in progress. It means we are working on it already. Then when any project is completed, we just move it from in progress to complete. That's how it will be. So to start our project, you can see this plus that said add a card. You click on add a card. So for our marketing strategy, how do we want it to be? So let's say the first one we want to do is research. Let's say we want to do research. We want to do research. Let's say that's the first thing we want to work on. Then we'll add another card. Let's say the next one is data collection. We want to collect data. So that's how you'll be adding cards. That's how you'll be adding cards. Let's say the next one I want to work on after collection is data analysis. Data analysis. Let's say that's the next one we want to work on. So that's how we'll continue to add our cards. Then now let's come to the first one that we created, which is research. So you will just to open this place, just click on it. Just click on it. Bam, and then it will open. The first thing first, description. Let's say we are expected to go to Kubwa market, and carry out data analysis. So let's say this is just my description, and then what do? You save your description. That means anybody that will open this project will know that we are actually going to Kubwa market to carry out our project. Then the next thing is to come to this place. We'll come here. You pick any color. Maybe you want this color. Then you write what you want to write. After writing it, you click on this create, and then it will be created. Is that okay? Click on label. Click on create new label. Pick your color. write the title of what you want to write, and then you just click on what create, and then it will be created. So that is that for the label. To add members, if you've added members to your Trello account, that means if you've invited your team members, this is where you are going to select the members you would love to assign this project to. So I'm the only one on this workspace. I think this is my other account, or this is my account actually. So I'm the only one on this workspace for now. So I'm going to click on I have other work members, so and that's great. Okay, from my other workspace. So let's say you want to assign this to John, you just click on it and it will show. Let's say you want to assign this to this person, you click and then it will show. It means that the both of them are responsible for this project. Now let's go to our timing. You come to your date, you click on your date. The date is when is this supposed to be done? When is the due date? When should this be ready? So today's date is 18. Let's say by 22nd it's ready. You can come here and set it as a start date for them so that they will know when to finish. No, let's not put that as a start date. This is the due date. They're supposed to finish this date. Then you can save it. As you can see, it is saved. This is the due date here. As you can see, so they will send a notification. That's why we have notification here. And this is the label. These are the people that have assigned it. So that's all for this. That's all for the members, the labels, and the date. If you want to add a cover, you can add a cover. Cover is just like a design to actually make your work look beautiful. It's actually still loading. You can pick any cover that you want to pick. Okay, let's pick this one. But any cover you'll be picking should be something that is in line with your project. So I just picked this randomly just to show us how it is. Then if you want to add any attachment like a file, you want to add a file, you want to add something, this is where you click on it. Then let's go to our checklist. What's the name of the checklist? Let's say the name will be tax. Let's put tax. Then your checklist will be here. Checklist are what they will be doing. So to add your checklist, you see what I did? I just clicked on checklist, give it an heading, add it, and then we are here. So now we're going to be adding what we want them to do during research. I can say go. I can say go to phase 4 Kubwa. If you want to add another checklist, simply add another checklist and say this research should focus. Okay, that actually went off. Let's add another one. This research will focus on women and children. Then you can add. Let me correct this. That's how you'll be adding your checklist. Then at the end of the day, when you are done adding your checklist, you're going to discover that this is set. Is that okay? This is actually set. You can share this template. You can make this a template. You can share it. You can do a lot here. So, for example, let's say when the both persons in charge of this project actually went for the research, they finished doing this. They will just click on it. You can see this is moving. It means there are how many percent done, as you can see it here. Let's say that they are done with this as well. It's completed just like that. So as you're working on your project, you try as much as possible to indicate if you are still in progress if um if it is completed already. Is that okay? So from here I can decide to come here and pick this green. Sorry. So let's say I want to change that to complete since the project is already completed. Come here, click on create new. Okay, let me use this color. Then I'm going to indicate completed. Then I'm going to create. So this is completed. That means this is complete. And I can change this actually. As you can see, this is completed. It means this project is already completed. So you can create more labels and then indicate it in your project. So, for example, let's say you are done with this project. That's the same way you are going to work on everything here. You click on the next one. You're going to put your description, add your members, like assign it to somebody, add your cover, your due date, you want to attach something, your checklist, and all of that. And let's say we are done with this project, you simply move it. When you're working on it, you can move it to in progress. When you are done with it, you can move it to complete. So you can just move this back. Maybe if you are just starting the project, when you are working on it, you bring it to progress. When you are done, you work it to complete. And that is that about creating a project on Trello. Thank you very much.